In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone issues in Jira. Whether you're managing a small project or a large-scale operation, being able to duplicate issues efficiently can save time and help maintain consistency. So let's dive right in and explore two methods. To start, open the Jira issue that you wish to clone. This step involves locating your issue in the Jira dashboard and clicking on it to view its details. Once you have your issue open, look towards the top right corner of the page. You will notice a set of three dots, which is the More Options menu. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labelled Clone. Make a note that upon selecting Clone, Jira will automatically generate a duplicate of the issue with the prefix clone added to its summary. This is helpful because it allows you to easily identify the new cloned issue at a glance. Before finalizing the cloning process, you can modify various details of the issue. This is a great opportunity to adjust the summary if needed, reassign the issue to another team member, change the priority, or update any custom fields pertinent to your workflow. Once you've ensured everything is set the way you want it, simply click Clone. Your new issue is now created and ready for use. Now there's another, slightly more automated way to handle this process, particularly useful if you need cloning to occur under specific circumstances. For this method, we will utilize Jira Automation. Begin by navigating to the Jira Settings panel. From there, proceed to System and then to Global Automation. Here, you'll want to click on Create Rule. Creating this rule allows you to set up automated actions based on specific triggers. When you create a new rule, the first step is selecting a trigger. You have options such as issue created, issue transitioned, or even a manual trigger if you prefer to start the automation manually. Once you've chosen your trigger, add the clone issue action to the rule. At this point you can decide whether the cloned issue should stay within the same project, or if it should be moved to a different one. It's worth considering where the clone will be most effective for your team. An additional step in this method is to add a prefix to the summary of the cloned issue, providing a clear distinction from the original issue. Furthermore, you can designate specific fields to be copied over from the original issue. This might include details about the assignee, the status, or any other crucial information your team needs. After setting this up, click Next to proceed, and finally make sure to click Turn on Rule to activate your automation. With this method, the process of cloning issues can be seamlessly integrated into your workflow, reducing manual effort and increasing efficiency. By using these techniques in Jira, you can ensure your project management process remains streamlined and effective.